Mahayong aga! Today magluluto tayo ng beans. Ito yung beans na nakuha ko doon sa garden kahapon. Tingnan nyo, ang dami, no? So, ayan. So, yung ingredients natin ay pork, beans, onion, garlic, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. So, I don't need oil kasi pork belly yung gagamitin ko. Palabas lang natin yung oil niyan. And then yan yung gagamitin nating pang satay mamaya. Ang pork pala nila dito, pag dito ka bumili sa American grocery store, kinukuha na nila yung balat. So, wala na yung balat. Naiwan na lang yung taba at saka yung kunting laman. Ayan, malapit na. Bawasan lang natin yung mantika.
Not safe. It was not safe.
Lagay natin yung garlic, onion. Then, let's put the sitaw.
I don't need that.
Alam nyo ba dito sa US ang mahal-mahal ng sitaw? Mga ganito karami, mga $6, almost $7 na. Put some soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Put a little bit of water. Two more minutes and then maglagay tayo ng suka. Maglagay na tayo ng suka.
Constant wind makes you high in the sky.
At nagdagdag lang ako ng soy sauce.
You're on fire.
Ayan, okay na to. Kain tayo.
Not because I made those. You really did? Yeah.
Mm.
So it's important to you.
Ito yung na-miss ko.
I'm just gonna.
Matagal din akong hindi nakakain ng adobong sitaw.
That's the goddess Hylia. Really? Yep.
How about I
She gave me all the stamina on all these hearts.
I'll just eat some food for you. How about we pray?
Look. This is what
Si Matthew may kalaro pa siya na kaibigan na yun.
you have conquered shrines. I can offer you.
Matthew, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. And then you can eat later. How's that?
Could use a little squash though. But
Squash?
good.
Ba't ka namit, gid? Sobrang sarap
What are
asin.
you doing?
Mom, can I have some? With squash? Can you make like
There's no
squash?
squash.
Oh man.
Okay, go play muna doon. Kasi yung kaibigan niya, hindi pwedeng kakain ng ng karne. Ano kasi yan eh? From India. So, hindi sila kumakain ng karne.
Alright.
Ayoko naman na papakainin yung isa tapos wala yung bata. Ito sarap-sarap eh. Okay, that's good for now eh. You're gonna eat later.
Alright.
Okay. Aim it.
When I ask and see.
I'm gonna aim your thing at the okay? Alright. I wanna land there.
Oh man.
Kanamit, gid ah.
Oh man.
Oh man, you finish it.
Oh.
You eat when Bardan left. Because, you know, he can't eat meat. He's vegetarian. You guys don't eat meat, huh?
No.
So you never eat meat?
No, I'm not. I don't eat meat,
Uh-huh.
and I'm especially not allowed to eat beef.
Oh, okay.